Welcome back to Advanced Excel 2007. This is lesson number 7 where we're doing some nested if formulas. This will be an if formula inside an if formula inside an if formula. You need to be in the workbook called if formulas on a worksheet called spelling test. In cell C3 we want to write an if formula that if Bob has a score better than 89 he gets an A. If he's got a score better than 79 he gets a B, score better than 69 he gets a C, etc, etc. So it starts off with equals if, and then we open the brackets. And Bob's score is in B3, so if B3 is bigger than 89 is the first logical test, we'll put a comma, and we want him to get an A if he's got that. So inside quotation marks, capital A, and then a comma, and then we start off again, if, and open the brackets. And again it's B3 is bigger than, this time, 79, put a comma, and again in quotation marks a B if it gets better than 79, and again a comma, and again if, open the brackets, B3 is bigger than 69, comma, and again we want a score here, so we're going to give a C, and then a comma, if, open the brackets, B3 is bigger than 59, a comma, and we're going to get a D, and a comma, and if, open the brackets, B3 is, oops, B3 is bigger than 49, a comma, and if that score would get a D. Oh, I've already had a D, sorry. D. And they're all true up to that. If Bob doesn't get, or anyone else doesn't get better than 49, the value of false will be an F. Now because we've opened the brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, we now must close the brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we hit the enter key, Bob got an A. If we fill that down, some people will get an A, some people might get a B, some should get a C, some will get a D, some will get an E, and sadly some will get an F. And we can add to that with some conditional formatting. We go for more rules, and if we could say is equal to F, and we could format that to be bold and bright red again, and click OK. And if we wanted a different format, we could have equal to, and the A's, they could be formatted as bold italics and a bright blue, something like this one. So they come up like that, and they come up like that.